Are you ready to level up your style with power and confidence? Introducing the 2023 Skull Embroidery Men's Cowhide Leather Jacket, a bold mix of attitude and comfort. Made from premium cowhide leather, this jacket is built to last and designed to turn heads. The striking skull embroidery gives it that perfect biker edge, while the cashmere lining keeps you comfortable in any season. Whether you're hitting the road, heading out with friends, or just want to stand out, this jacket delivers. Stylish, rugged, and versatile. It's more than just clothing. It's a statement. Don't wait. Grab yours today from the link below and ride with confidence.